This ReeceNichols Blue Springs property video is presented by jclark. Sought after ranch floor plan in Woodbury Subdivision in Granite Valley. This home offers a walkout lot, 4 bedrooms, 3 up and 1 down and 3 full baths, and main floor laundry. Stunning kitchen with custom cabinets, granite countertops, undermount sink, large walk-in pantry with soft close cabinetry and a cozy fireplace in the family room. Beautiful master suite including master bath featuring a granite double vanity, walk-in shower and walk-in closet. 4th bedroom down with full bath. Finished walkout basement with full wet bar and family room. For more information, review the details below or contact jclark at 816-655-6613.